What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at Tesla stock in the pre-market. Guys, Tesla has hit a home run in China with the full FSD approval. Let's take a look at, the price. I'm loving it. I am on the 4 hours interval here for the reason that TradingView doesn't show the candles on the daily for the pre and the post markets. We are at $191.50 right now. That is a massive move. The last closing price on Tesla was around, where was it? Let's see. Tesla closed at around 168. Guys, this is already a move of what? Yep. We are already in a move of 13.8% right now in the pre-market. I mean, wow, this is just wow, guys. Now, yes, I have been talking about that Tesla is already in the bullish structure. I mean, my swing bot has also given the position some days ago. Let me show you that. It's also in amazing money, right? My swing bot gave the position at $156. So we already made like so much money on this. So amazing, amazing, guys. This is unstoppable now. I'm just loving it. Let's take a look at some of the articles here. So Tesla obtaining Chinese approval for full self-driving service, a watershed moment. Again, I'm not going to go too much in detail, but it's just that the agreement with Baidu. So what they are doing is that the automaker agreed to launch its full self-driving or FSD software service in China based on mapping and navigation functions provided by local technology firm search engine Baidu. And financial details are not disclosed yet, but yeah, Elon is, FSD is approved in China and in partnership with Baidu. And China has approved that Tesla meets all of the security, data security requirements of China and all that good stuff. Guys, it's at 192 right now. So yes, pre-market move is huge already. Now, what are we seeing in the structure, right? Let's go to the 4 hours interval, guys. Let's go there and yeah, one more thing. So this is where, I don't know if you guys caught on to it, but this is where the buy position was off the swing side, which is $155. So we are already at 190 plus. Amazing. All right, if you need access to my tools, links in the description below. I have 2 indicators and 2 trading bots and Wall Street alerts. All right, so let's go to the 4 hours interval and let's talk about the price action. And I'm pretty sure this video will be out before the market opens, so if you happen to see it then as well. Okay, so guys, we were already in the bullish structure and I have been calling this out that we have changed the structure as we got above 160 and $164. We are in the bullish sentiment. Now, yes, we are still bullish, guys. This is another leg up, and today another leg up. On Friday we had another leg up, right? And now we have another leg up. What are we in? We are in a constant uptrend, and most importantly, we have gotten out of the next step of resistance as well at $180, right? And why is that important? There are 2 zones actually here, $180 to $185. Let me turn off my intraday levels right now so that I can just show you things a little bit more clearly. Intraday levels I use for partial sizing and sizing out as well, and other things to watch. So now, why this another zone of $180 to $184 was a zone that we wanted to get out of, and we are out of it. Now this will play importance today as well during the day trading hours. So why so? Because this area was the acting resistance zone after the break and the flush of the structure from the previous trying to hold support, right? So this was the next ladder steps we wanted to get out. The first ladder step we wanted to get out was 160 and 164, and the next was 180 to 184, and we did that as well. This is awesome, guys. We are almost there to our top side of the channel, right? Like I was like, okay, 15.55% going in today or going in this week is what we are targeting on Tesla. We got that in just one day in the pre-market itself. I mean, this is awesome. So what do I see throughout the day? Well, pre-market move has already been made, right? Now the thing, as long as we hold above 184, I'm not sure if that pullback is going to come. But if let's say during the market opens, Tesla starts to cool off a little bit, We want to stay above 180 and 184 to keep this momentum going. That's very important. Look, we will have, because look, first few minutes would be a little bit of choppiness, I assume, for the reason I expect we will see, but for the reasons that all these pre-market just stock, just shot up, right? So all the orders of big orders, the hedge funds now who wants to load, and I'm pretty sure, I mean, there has been so many downgrades coming on Tesla, but Tesla has always come out shining. Just before earnings, Tesla is downgraded by everyone. Even Deutsche Bank reduced their price target to 135 or so, right? And they reduced it to 125, and then after earnings they came at 135. Now what? Now what they're gonna do? There are some bullish out there as well, like RBC is still maintaining at 295, Wedbush is at 275, and so forth as well. But just saying. So yeah, if any pullback comes, guys, for some other hedge funds to reload here, right? That's possible. So you're watching this 184 and $180 range that we want to hold above it. We don't want to sell off below that, because that's not a good sentiment on the structure. And then today, what is the possibility? Well, guys, at this type of momentum, you can just trade level by level, and let's see if we can hit $200 today. I mean, we are just $10 away from that. So let's see. But this is amazing. I just wanted to cover this morning update real quick. Technicals are still bullish. Expect pullbacks if they happen. Accordingly play the play. But yeah, 180 and $184 is the very important level in the structure that I have my eyes on. So we need to continue to hold this level today, even if the pullback comes, and let's see if we can shoot it up, right? So, and I'll talk about more on the technicals later today as well as things evolve. But so far, yes, we are still bullish. Higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher lows. 180 and $184 level is the one to hold, continue to hold, to keep this momentum going to the upside. And hopefully this week, we may be heading to $250 as well. We'll see. We'll talk about it. All right, guys, this is all for this morning update, and I'll be doing other videos later throughout the day as well. All right, guys, with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.